of no better breaking agent or dielectric than sulfur hexafluoride, or SF6. In its initial state, this gas is perfectly safe. It's non-toxic, it will not burn nor support burning, and it will not explode. However, certain precautions are necessary. SF6 is 5 times heavier than air, and if there's a leak, it will build up in the lower parts of the building, in the gutters and in the cellars. As SF6 contains no oxygen, extraction and ventilation should be provided, since, when highly concentrated, it can take the place of oxygen and cause suffocation. But the International Electrotechnical Commission has shown that 5 mice kept for 24 hours in an atmosphere of 79% SF6 and 21% oxygen will remain alive and will show no signs of abnormal behaviour. Any source of heat which may trigger off decomposition of this gas, such as cigarettes, combustion engines, or soldering equipment, must be prohibited. This decomposition is similar to what happens in the circuit breaker when it is opened. Medically speaking, some of the substances produced during decomposition cause violent irritation of the mucous membranes and the lungs. But these gas compounds are present only in very small quantities. This is due to the molecular sieve used in every breaking chamber, which treats the compounds to give back pure SF6, thereby pushing back the threshold of danger for human life. Polluted SF6 is easy to detect, as it gives off a sickly smell, which is noticeable long before it reaches a level where it would become poisonous. At this point, staff must leave the workstation and thoroughly ventilate the room. It's a good idea to fit a detection system which starts the ventilation automatically. When SF6 decomposes, it also generates solid compounds which take the form of a white powder. These compounds react harmfully with moisture on the hands and the mucous membranes. Any repair work must therefore always be carried out using appropriate protection: gas mask, gloves, and protective clothing. You might like to know that SF6 will not destroy the ozone layer. It should be stressed that the use of SF6 does not add to the risks run at work. The lack of danger is confirmed by the fact that there have been no accidents over the many years that SF6 has been used as a braking agent. Appliances using SF6 have a guaranteed annual leakage rate of less than 1% of the volume. This rules out any danger during normal operating conditions. The abnormal situation would be the explosion of an appliance, and this happens extremely rarely. However, if such an accident did occur, the sickly smell would warn us immediately, giving us the time to act in perfect safety. To conclude, SF6 is not a dangerous substance. Should an incident arise, however, certain precautions do need to be taken. Let's just remember to put safety first.